Hello friends, today we will see how Thandai, a refreshing cool drink, can be made easily at home with your simplest ingredients. To prepare 4 glasses of Thandai, we need 4 tablespoons of fennel seeds soaked in water overnight, some almonds also soaked overnight and peeled, some mixture of seeds and black pepper, corn, 2 cups of milk, and sugar. I added 3 teaspoons of sugar per glass. Okay, first we will take the soaked fennel seeds along with its soaked water into a grinder and grind it into a paste as smooth as we can. This is an amazing drink, especially for summertime, not only because it is served chilled, but also because it is very much refreshing with its ingredients. Like fennel seeds provide a lot of freshness and it cools down the body temperature. So like you just saw, my paste was not very fine, so I just added a bit more water and ground it again. Once you grind it properly, then you need to sieve it so that all the fennel seeds that are not crushed properly can be sieved out. Now after you have rinsed your grinder well, now it's the time to add your peeled almonds, some seeds along with the water. You need to soak it just half an hour prior to making the drink. Now add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk, not too much because it'll become too watery then, and add sugar as per needed. As I said, I have added 3 teaspoons of sugar per glass. Now grind it to a smooth paste. It will not be very smooth, but it's okay. The crunch that will come in will taste good. Now add the ground mixture to your previously ground fennel water and mix it well, and that is it. You can serve it either on the rocks of ice or just chill it in the fridge for some time, refrigerator, and then serve it cold and enjoy your drink.